G'day guys, how are we? Day number 3 here in Guatemala, currently in Antigua. Today's game plan is, it's nice and early, 7:17 at the moment, and it's already 20 degrees, which is, but hopefully it doesn't get too hot for this fucking hike. So yeah, today I'm hiking the Volcano Acetenango. Just waiting on the bus to come pick me up. I'll sort of try and update you as I'm going. Like, I don't know what the sort of stops and everything sort of looks like, so I'll do my best to sort of show what's going on and what it's like for just a normal bloke trying to hike a volcano. But yeah, we'll see how we go, so let's go. Thank you. Bye. Oh, squeezing next to you. Oh yeah, why not? Thanks, mate.
1 hour later.
I'm about to piss me pants. Hey mate, how are you?
Good morning, I'm doing well. How about yourself?
Good, thanks. Just Declan Williams. Thank you.
Already, pleasure to have you.
Rightio, secured all our gear. Yellow submarine's ready to go. About to smash this bad boy down and run up this fucking volcano. Let's go.
On your lunch bag, you guys have a plastic container like this one. This is reusable, so please do not throw it away. You must bring it back tomorrow. Each one of you guys got a tackle like this one. This is very important to bring it back because on the way up there is only one trail, so it will get very crowded and we need to identify you guys. All of you have a tag like this one? Yes? Confirm? Yes. If you want to do the extra fuego trek, you will decide at the base camp. Depending on how you feel, the weather, then you keep on going and pay for it tomorrow. Today we will present your guides.
Primer nombre del guía es
The name of the first guide is
Hervis,
Hola chicos.
Freddy, and Israel.
Hola chicos.
all of them are certified guides who will help you on the way up. So please, if you feel sick, do communicate with your guides so they can assist you. Remember that this hike is hard but not impossible. Anyone can do it as long as you do it with your mind, heart and soul. And remember that there is no limit. The only limit is the sky.
Hasta mañana. See you tomorrow, guys. See you tomorrow. Please again. Hasta mañana.
Fuck yeah. We there yet? Everyone will just go silent soon and be trying to concentrate on walking up.
I ain't looking at the ground.
Yeah, legit. Any chance there's a pub at base camp?
Yeah, I hope so. I hope so. We'll walk down tomorrow.
Halfway beers or something? Need a speaker with some motivational music or something. Checkpoint number 1. Whew. Good shit, lads. Killing it. Let's get this show on the road. Round 2, let's go. Fuck, we nearly there yet or what? We nearly there yet or what?
I'm like, did we just start?
Yeah. Checkpoint number 2. Quick refuel time. And we're off again. It's hard to actually take in the views because you're so concentrated on fucking not slipping over.
I remember when I see you on the map, I'm like,
That's a solid shitter. Ooh, lunchtime. I forget what checkpoint this is, but doggies. Halfway point lunch breaks. How many Ks have we done?
What?
How many kilometres have we done?
3.7.
Fuck, 3.7, that's not bad. Straight vertical. Bit of bush tucker, mate. Might have to start a granola bar count. I think this is number 3. I think I only got 3 left. Hello, doggy. Lunch break done. Straight back into it. Let's go. So nice out there, eh? It's good that the sun's popped out again. Officially in the clouds. So sick. Fuck yeah. That's fucked. Hell yeah. Let's go. Sketch as fuck. One step closer. The views are insane above the clouds.
Let's go.
Now it's getting intense. Let's go. This is sketchy as fuck. One hour to go. Let's go. So sick. And we've still got an hour to go. Another sketchy rock section. Work. How many Ks have we done?
6.4.
Oh, fuck, 6.4, that's pretty good. Pretty much straight vertical too. 1288 straight up.
But this part was fine. This is nice.
Yeah, this is cruisy as on the
enjoyed
flats.
this.
Fuck yeah. T-minus 15 minutes. Let's go. That's us. Whew. We made it. Woo.
Oh, that was a good one.
Peace. Good shit.
Good job.
Good stuff.
Job.
We made it.
Oh yeah. Nice.
Fuck yeah. That's sick.
We have dinner when we go back. Yeah. Nice.
What time do we get back? See.
Thank you. Oh, the pad for the night. Fuck yeah. It's actually not a bad little setup. The 4x4 vans have been through hell today. Still going strong. Rightio, the crew's slimmed down to about 7 of us now. Making our way over to Fuego. So hopefully these clouds clear up so we can see some fucking lava. And from what we can hear, it's going crazy. Let's go. Fuck, that's sick.
That's fucking cool. It's all just
Yeah.
fly around.
There we go. First signs.
Nice.
That's amazing.
Again, water break.
Getting closer.
Go on, man.
Just waiting for something cool to happen. She's noisy. I think that's 1.2 k's downhill done. Now 700 meters straight up. Let's go. Fuck, we've come from all the way over there. The final stretch. Nearly made it. I know, that would be sick. Finally made it after 7 or 8 hours of hiking all fucking day. Let's go. Now we just need an eruption. So fucking sick. The setup for the walk back. Fucking hell, mate. Also, one last granola bar. Got one more left. It's gonna survive me tomorrow.
Like a silhouette on this. Alone, if you fall back too far, please let us know.
I don't know how much I'll film on the way down because it's gonna be dark and you won't be able to see fuck all. So if I don't film anything, I'll see you at dinner. Hello, doggy.
I'm excited to go down, but on the way up.
Tick that one off the bucket list.
Yeah, thank you. I will probably need it, yeah. Yeah, tell your arm.
Now we just need some beers up here.
Oh, yeah. But like a shot or something, that would be nice.
Hell yeah.
Get warm.
Oh, there we go. We've made it back to base camp. That was easily one of the hardest hikes I've ever done in my life. Let's go get some fucking food. Woo! Perfect end to a night. Just fucking demolish that feed. Gonna hit the hay now. And see it's bright and early in the morning at 4 AM for sunrise, so let's go. And we're back hiking again at 4:30 AM. Oh, this is what we came for. Solid way to start the day. Straight vertical at 4 AM in the morning. Whew. Fuck yeah. So keen for a brekkie feed. Fuck, can we complain about bringing our bags up? Let the 7-kilometer trek down the hill begin. Let's go. Back in the trees, still on the way down. Hopefully not too long to go. Sun's just popped out too. And we've just hit another checkpoint. Let's go. The last and final granola bar. Back into the clouds we go. There she is, the final stretch. Oh, massage would be real good right now.
This is big marketing. This is just marketing.
4 different locations for your massage, just in case, you never know.
Yeah, I'll take one, why not?
Just in case, you never know. Be with you and you.
We've made it back to civilization. Fuck yeah, boy. Oh yeah.
Ja, kan echt gestolen worden.
Gracias.
Hola.
That's one way to end a hike. Right, yeah, I'm gonna end this video here. That was such a sick experience. Highly recommend it if you come to Antigua. Make sure you like, comment, subscribe, all the good shit. Follow me on Instagram at moreofdeclan, and I will see you later.